Over the next few days, I'm going to be showing some brands that are coming to the Toronto Timepiece show the end of September. I'm really looking forward to going myself. One of those brands is Christopher Ward, and I just had a package show up in the mail today. It's a bit of a different shape than what I'm used to. I haven't had one of their watches in for a while, but they normally had the kind of longer box, so I thought maybe we'd do an unboxing of the watch, follow it up with a more full in-depth video at a later date. But let's get to it and check out the watch. Okay, so let's just get into it here. Not sure if you guys have caught it yet or not. I've mentioned it a couple of times on the channel, but we've recently started a podcast. It's time, it says here. We've recently started a podcast and had Mike Pearson on a couple episodes ago from Christopher Ward, and he was a really great guest, very enthusiastic about the brand. So the packaging does look about like the older one, just a little shorter, but the same idea. Some of the paperwork, and that's a dead giveaway for what the watch is right there. I'm just going to put that one aside. I think we've got a wipe cloth in this and some stickers. And here is the watch. Let's dig it out of here. The C60 Trident GMT, and this is a really nice color. This is a nice version of it. Let's see if I can get this plastic off relatively easily. Not too bad. Wow. The good old light catcher case. It's been a while since I've had a Christopher Ward on. I bet you it's been approaching a year, but this is a nice one. I like that lighter blue on the bezel. Give it a wind here. Winding action is really nice. Running this watch is the Sellita, I think it's the SW330. Very nice. Well finished 3-link bracelet. Nice looking clasp. Get a look at the movement there too. Let's get in for a little closer look at the dial. And there it is. I love the lighter blue accents on the GMT hand too. Nice bezel action. Really nice, actually. Yeah, Christopher Ward have been doing some pretty cool stuff lately. I don't know if you guys have seen the Lumiere with the 3D printed, or the 3D luminous markers, but that looks amazing. Hopefully I can get one of those in at some point too. I know they'll have them at the show, so looking forward to getting hands on with them there. But yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun to wear over the next few days. Let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7¼ wrist. They actually pre-sized this for me and pretty much nailed it. It does have some micro adjusts, on the fly micro adjusts on the clasp too, to help if I need a little bit of an adjustment. But yeah, this thing is sweet. Awesome travel watch. Although it is not a true or a traveler's GMT, it is a collar GMT, but still very nice. Looking forward to seeing more of their collection here at the end of the month at the Toronto Timepiece show. Is anybody going? I'm going to actually be working part of the time at one of the booths there. We'll talk about that a bit more in an upcoming video, but really looking forward to the show. Tons of cool brands And also looking forward to, like I said before, some more wrist time with the Trident GMT. So there you go, guys. Just a quick one for today. I really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.